Okay.
And these are some of the things the youth are not seeing. Indirectly, it's affecting us. But every day, so also you need to get something on your own.
But for creativity in
what is creativity? That is why we are telling you going onto the social media just to watch booze, nothing, and kwasi asemu. It will not help you.
Like I say, me share nya join say me yes na me conduct stuff ya na me better for the creativity actually is not coming. You
see, sade mani nyina no ye lack e school.
Okay.
We lack all those things e school. They be am can say patriotic. Oko outside the country. Ye nature sad de man free school. How to be entrepreneur.
Okay.
Ye nature sad in free school. Say uko school no anko ye business student. Now why nya economics teacher, accounting teacher nya best. Say when nya tutor obetumi actual the practical thing what you theory. You end up from the SHS to become a foolish person on the society. But udra bruchira they nurture you. A whole lot we say bronia kola no be free school beba no nimdie kura no.
Okay.
What you say? Nimdie kura no. O baby obetire bia obenye sika. Bear in mind, immediately you are able to identify any problem bia no. It gives you money.
Okay.
If you are able to identify
any problem,
it gives you money. It's me who say, akosia enya broken heart. Immediately I've been able to identify your problem. The solution that I will give you should yield money. Okay. Yes. I don't know be a counselor. No.
You
go to that person for consultation.
Okay.
Before you realize you've given an exchange on your broken heart.
Okay.
You get the scenario.
Yeah.
Eti be being ensikwa. Immediately obe kai say obi akai say e comedy will be. It also be no aduane no. It gives that person's money.
Okay.
It's on the normal day. Ubo say obi ebrebi kuma say omo say sa bola e from bola for no.
Aye.
Me who one guy back home after ejuma enyumre the guy has dressed nice
neatly.
Hey. And I'm say hey bra.
Okay.
Minimo or say I'm not me for bola no pan. And I'm say seriously? Wuna me boo good for nothing no. Like seriously? Hey bozumi they say more life ni biana. Me ba ona me sheshe me warranty boot na me sheshe me blues a oju nse me jimi. Na hwe.
Wow, that's the other side.
The other side. Akwani wo kasem kire me you. It later I sat down and I'm say I need to enter into sanitation. Because anopano betimi ebunu me ho.
No, so
but I see him to be wretched. So I just give him money. But if it's sad, then I'm who you and Oba between the baggy, you to make boss, Bola the Memfa. Was on far cop.
Someone who the other side.
Who the other side.
Okay.
Also, no,
Manka,
Mehuna, can it be Oba? Boss, this give me 5 CDs. Oh, 5 Michelle Honey, the one who sees smelling. Hey, Jeffako. I just want him to just move from my face.
But who on the other side?
Me who on the other side? And I'm saying, oh, this guy is really making money. The friend may check it. Say, or if you have, or you wait 3 CDs, or you wait 4 CDs, or you wait 5 CDs, or you wait 2 CDs. I say, me come home, you feel Hong Kong. Oh, Kono. He took the sum about 25 CDs. Me tell you, 25 CDs. No, I'm not getting it.
Yeah. And Okoshe so bet ya less.
Sweetheart. I was like, wow.
That's the other side.
You see, enti yentia say what you do to make money, a man no emrewase.
Okay.
Go all out. Let him say we are the economy per kan wasema and a check patronage.
Okay.
obi a patronize o yanka ho asema unya patronage
okay
otu ayanka ho asem no obi ni mu so far as we hu say aduane we e ton na bonte won nye de ne kire say people have patronized that person. Yeah. And to start something. Don't sit there. Start something. Immediately you can be able to identify somebody's problem.
Okay.
First thing is a cent for you. 1 cent, 1 cedi.
1 cedi.
For you. Immediately you've been able to identify.
Okay.
Hey, 1 cedi for you. It's what the implementation can want. Then becomes millions.
Yeah, you are done. Okay.
You get it? It's you to know we shouldn't sit down and say and I say no. See that? No.
Okay.
What if you now what you know? You have a spacious compound. What are you doing with the spacious compound? I can't remember. I went to a friend. Baby, I mean, meet you, Kumasi. You call me to the boys now be brave. Boys to
I'm on your share.
Yeah, she didn't come on. To one day, I catch a guy now. We eat one. So, Ben, madam, for no. Let me give you a business idea for free. One say I had a. I'm so why don't you sell men's shoes,
the
men perfumes, slippers, shirts, perceive be facia nice. So we be eating. I also big boys in Kwana bar. Then, sir. Okay, my man try her. So he went out. Oba or to tall fools once ni be the bye. Afi the niba no so na afi within be 2 weeks na niema no de buy nasa.
Wow.
Na wasa akofa nasa ti busome no wa check in interest no na be 700 cedis. Wo ha no me ko obofo say yes. If you no ko be UTB free why?
Free me on this car.
And I'm say hading. Oh, you to be free, don't worry. Me adao. Madam for no problem. I'm saying, my dear uncle, send me ref me the idea na manawi. Me cross chassis or ton, my quack or be ref send this idea. Now, my koa, me could be chama the jikato. No, before fa. I didn't know. Matoni didn't come out, Chalopa boy, nice one, will be tram. Chama boy say, no, Bobo, no, a jay will be a wee, no, a jet. Or say, we. 20 Ghana we feed ya. We actually did we toy 20 or so. The last time in it was before. You know why I love you so much? I don't know unless you tell me. Or soon him saying Pabwe una mammy idea mammy toy.
Okay.
No say baby I'm not sleepy. Also refi.
Yeah.
It's now about me here me news. Any say massa. Also mommy a discount more.
Yeah.
You see me here in Ebuano. Going forward, I'm saying, yeah, member a better head in a buy any petot tobacco, am so telling me tribute or harbor. I didn't remember better I won't pay some small fridge be, Naja won't pay drinks cacrabi muna, won't pay whiskey cacrabi sisiona, at least we'll be banned few say we'll still time now, we'll be track a crana when we bounce on her. For me to be in plain this and no, you know, what is the fee? I never tell how do you remember 6 hours. And you do a whole serious joint. Okay. Serious joint. I'll be banning coffee you mutia you mun coffee. When we bounce will be you tea. Be coffee no wabo no atompa. Now the guy is using his own car.
Okay. But you gave him the idea.
I gave him that idea. When you say shop no no. But yes sir.
Yeah, sana be coffee be na me won no.
Opon ye no. Opon ye no. Opon bia shops e won chesu nyina omupon by 6 in this space ni nyina ye ne dia afi beko no nkonwa no apakisi ho enumre no na aye pap automatically na aye pap na boys twepini agie ni mikokuma se wana metena always
oju scanner
onyi miska ba me ton san dia mitua
sika pa ye kokuma se wana
me ton san dia mitua
that's it.
Yes, me ton san mitua but so be uti di obe ma free I want number pay unity and san we dey free. Okay, we pay unity free
sika pa na be
enya hwe sika po be yi and san we free. But you see dem kan nyina ne say we work so many things are and what you disposal.
Yeah.
A dream said just a winya bibi kesiye no.
We are too comfortable with what we have.
Maybe I'm a teen say I've developed something weekends I won't be doing.
Okay.
Because me time I can say sha. Nti minya kakra bia me so minya kwan pa jima home with my baby girls.
Okay.
Yes, minya
your
kwan.
Baby girls. Is it
jima home?
Is it o baby girls no chire
no, say me oba. Me wo mamba.
Because baby girls yeah,
no, that's my girlfriend.
Okay.
But say bia me ka say me name a girlfriend I have a time and no. But minya kwan with my baby girls. What you say? I'm relaxing home. Bana madwodwo me ho na have fun.
Baby girls no more relaxing ho.
You see, the way kwana my kwana mo adwene sa kra. I've gotten you.
Okay.
What you say? Say ma wodwene asema ma kan me ma wodwene the other way around. I just have gotten you.
You've gotten me.
Yes. Me can I was focused on me girls.
Okay.
Yes. Me wa bana me nu omo vibe ya. Too much.
Okay.
What you say? What I want to say is say the little chance that you get,
use it.
Use it. People buy data, post unnecessary things on their stats.
Yeah.
For no reason. But for win my dear way or Tonyema. No one say boys per porn movies and the porn pictures. This man. It on the stats. O posti and nema or tombe trea. No de porn account home. It be a funny video be no the account home. Enti obe pese de bia obe share stats. Ope bia. But before you watch it.
No idea.
Now wash it and nema or the or in stock. This is strategy. Obi Snapchat. The stories, porn kwa. People watch it more than anything.
Okay.
You see, when who say this is what people want. Eti week mo obetime fidu porn sa bo say within a week na afi both were the ne product our tono de ubrem.
Because we are obese okwohwe ne story.
They were posty. It before you realize you know. No say akwa we ton ade we. That is business strategy.
Yeah.
Immediately you are able to identify a problem. There is money ahead. Okay. It's NTS is a youth, you know. There are so many things that is at our disposal. And then we will why bit me here. Let's get doing it. Yeah, my yensa encore on decks.
Okay.
Try to support somebody who supports you.
Okay.
2022. Positive vibes.
Okay.
So me post me post you. One post me I forget.
So forget it.
A positive vibe.
You chat me, I chat you.
You chat me, I don't chat me. Forget about it.
Okay.
Because what's a uko wenim?
Okay.
Also uko wenim. Na ye my friends in less. My friends in less. You need more time for yourself, and you need more time for yourself. And no, and now with me vibing now with me yeska wum. So my friends, it's far because me. I always say. I know so many people, but I have less friends. Being to me, sorry, will be facing my down for my fee. That's the last thing that I'll do. Okay. Because me time than can so me. They be a girlfriend to because say would you no other? Yes. Because and so come between I'll go. Okay. So come between your medicine regardless of. Opa for pressure be see me so meda. That's how I've programmed myself. And if you head me to me now, could just show us bugu mitiswa me ho kura me chawa gayawa meda wo. That is me. Okay. I've developed myself say me nya de man stress me ho. And yema stress me ho. I get things me too stressed up, you have sex then you sleep good. What I say. And these are some of the things that you need to develop. Na you hunu say ade na ye usua so ye. Okay. So YouTube, there are so many things that you can learn on YouTube. It will help you. Okay. Youth 2022, we have so many things on our head to do.
We should stay positive and the other side also.
Thank you.
Oh, but Michael, thank you for joining us on Youth Arena today.
Sure.
We've learned a lot. Me myself, I've learned a lot that we should have the other side or the other time or the other day.
So when you say we program our you know, no for hippo, we are you remove it.
Okay. I shouldn't think of what people say.
Don't think. Immediately you get people saying, that means you've achieved your target.
Okay.
You don't see a few Schwarzenegger on the other side, other day, wearing panty on the or on the street.
Yeah.
But immediately when she's on Instagram Live, you see her doing, hey, look at my nyash, look at my this, shaking her boobs. But see her on the normal day, you see her very dressing nice, decent. She will allow you to talk. So they put that to be a film.
Yeah.
Yes, he has been able to identify your problem.
That is showing her body.
Yes. Also, anybody now can't want it. It wasn't about the neighbor, no the product in the moon. Who be do what them? If you have a be do what them, I don't take it serious. Or you know, oh no, dear, no. Immediately you get people talking about you. You've achieved.
Okay.
It will before. That means I've achieved.
Okay.
It will try to say I can't want them. Both on the negative and the positive side. Always don't think about the positive. Yeah, dear, because you can't want them.
Forget it.
Wow.
Okay.
Wow. I'm telling you. Immediately you think about the positive, there will not be light. Light be anywhere.
Okay.
Because light, say yes, switch it lighter. We have negative and positive that joins together to make light. So if you want to have light, don't think always about the positive.
Okay.
See, ejawum. Oh, me sakan na shake me. Ejawum. It here they are light beba. One for negative na kan ho abo. So always think about the negative. The youth should start rising up.
Okay.
Let's take advantage of every moment, every time that we get. You utilize it. You will say we have so many things on our decks. Let's get something doing. There are so many opportunities. Mami fo bebre wo ho a omo pemrantie no o madam o mo ho ato wo.
You can do it. At long last it will bring you something.
So far I say it will bring you something, just do it. Obi to obeka say akoi wa Kenya sesema kan kwatasem. Listen. Me, I'm somebody here. I always advocate say obewo 2 lungs. Na ebe hia. Na the 2 lungs ni me be wu kwa. Donate 1 for money and keep 1 and eat. So ni be ma be kwa akoda. Na obe yin se egu saa.
Obe nyeska.
Ubetimi akọ na wakọ ginyinsa so yam. Na wanye ska. Uwi ajoba. Na wanye ska. Don't sit down in food. Etra onyimi. I always advocate that. Se moje bebre wo mu na wo so donate mu obi na agiska. Don't sit down. Encourage me some fun how life. People are getting money because of Sanyema way. People do it at the plant side.
Okay.
But you don't know. Boys in the brain na more o maniska bebre because enye sakawa enye scamming.
Okay.
Just that they've understand life. You are having these 2 kidney. Ewo mu abra mfanya we. Na so dem kwasem na adidi. E na wonam bajire na wujimi. Na o 2 lungs na adijimi. Ni hian. Why will you sit down? Say be here sir. Donate 1. Mo obi no nyankwa na discover to one edidi peche. Me, I always advocate that.
Okay.
Me say me who tell me pa na I don't want to put the site on the net for people to visit and then say obi o a obekwa ko wia obi. Ekofo bebre ye wia wo mu bebre ni nyina because of this. But you donate your own. obi wo ye no adrage wo ne de wokọ no yakọ you lung baako and kidney baako obi wie ne stitch wo na ya wo ti ko se call you don't get anything. No, use your own self. One kasako donate one of your kidneys. With me kidney baako abro me no ye adwuma baako correct me ye adwuma man ye. So on a normal day na say we good health e ye adwuma correct did the good.
Okay.
Me always advocate that. Did the good, sleep good, drink good water, and some other no papa. Have good sex. Oda. Always won't say or life no. Or life span they will be enjoy akola.
Okay.
Maybe we say for baby face. Yes, mommy a baby face. Your anti-aging you know ye fear. But me apply those antidotes. And near me bema me stay fresh always. Cause we agromi me senior brother who or 46 years who na so obey 60 years.
Okay.
You get it?
Age natural.
Age no. Say you was anti-aging you know if you. But be so the way I also usi maintaining you eating good food with the fruits papa. Now drinking good water. Now having good sex. Now the year. I'm telling you, that is life. That is anti-aging drug for you. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Be any hobby you and be any hobby you.
Yeah.
Nothing more, nothing less. Be any hobby you. Because say umu cry or ya your near you not take in, but you can apply on your body the end.
Okay.
And you be also take it in. Me, I'm so careful in what I take in. Because the echo will nip them say we nipan. But the food move banner there in moving. You get it? And to me, I'm always cautious with what I take in. It's me about crime, no better have sex. I'm same papa. Yes. Because you need to have good sex. Good sex and anything. So about crime now won't need than one pen. Na nim cry, we shall nim na. It's me, Emma, who feeling tikwa.
Not to say.
You are just killing yourself.
And your good sex.
Yes, and your good sex. Obu ahuna the normal de uhuna. E was say uhuna. You feel for something.
Okay.
Also, we have this friend that uhuna you feel for something. You are down for bua onya umpena o ya down for keke. Obu ahuna na akondo adwaman. Yes, it's there. Obu ahuna na akondo nsa. Obu ahuna wa me kura you feel to eat something.
Okay.
And you've not experienced that before.
I have not experienced.
Then try for it to ho. Obu uhuna na akondo konkonsa.
Okay.
Yee, I say hey over. Yee. Hey. Hey, Raddy, how would you be? Yee. Hey, a vibe oboa.
Okay. Uhuna na akondo konkonsa.
Na akondo konkonsa. Is there? Obu uhuna, you just feel like and they can boy be srabi and come pool. Okay.
Aye nipa keka we hu no.
Nipa na we hu no. Because say nipa no. Wo hu ni baby, do see ne boy. E si relate ye. Sa ade no apicture wo tirim dada edidem wo tirim. E si immediately abe hu ni pe one of your boy. Obu abe hu na na akondonsa because e baby nsam bia no wonom. Me have those people.
Okay.
Me minimum madam for be me hu na am condonsa. Me hu na me am catch no. Say bema, we me hu na am condonsa. Am paso. Me kwakọ no monsa. E disango for no say nyame ya adom na me tam bible. Na me see me preach me ye nyame adwuma. Sankrofo no pa me bon so wo mu free wiase. Because me hu na mpo me kura me bible a. Me kwakọ no monsa. And it will not help me. Omo a me hu omo a me kondo adwaman bia no. I will see them. I will feel like and my requirement I'm not finna give you. Yes. Okay. It do happens. Inti yenya dia be boyen. Ni su stress ye ho. We Utah. Grab every opportunity that you think it can survive you for the next 10 years. At least any decision be a person will take it be in your life today. Who take a decision now? Who say decision now will take it. The next 10 years. You do be Gina who said decision now taking 10 years back in here. Would you love it? Okay. Eti say ene ebia na we bees we and me what take this is so you be sweet, you know. The next 10 years, say catch you say 10 years ago now you be sweet, would you love it?
Okay.
If you love it, do it. Because obi ekotwe mpna obi no obi twe mpna enne e ma 10 years ahead we try na ni ehwe na chi decision you take 10 years back no utimi pon say what decision be pa na me take 10 years ago akwa fun we what's your way then you live to regret it for your entire life. So if you are taking this decision today, take decision that will help you tomorrow. Say the beya, say bounce back to you.
You know, say
I'll be proud. Say 10 years ago I took a good decision, man. Yes, that's what we should be doing. And your decision be akeke, and your plan be akeke. No. And then what's what? Take the decision about wow. 10 years to come. Now I had to say fear. Near fear go no say tamdi. Can you eat it?
Okay.
Yes. But when you go out me dinner, utimi kesu na sa be gire wonu. Sentine kra bofo ahunu mo brati.
Medidi.
Duane ye kama. But when you go o bon pa say wu kesu, ko wu kesu say kim. Asemaba. One kasa obu befu hu, ama wofu bio. That is the reality on the ground.
Okay.
Let's understand that. You use a life for no. It's there for us. And it's there for us in the future. Right. There are so many things ahead of us. But it's when you never get there. And no decision I will take it. And then we are doing attention TV. No, can you say 10 years to come? Say, catch yourself now. You're doing attention TV. Will you be glad or you feel ashamed? Yeah. Ask yourself. A practically I will train in the youth. A practically I will train in the boy now in the 2 10 years to come. Yeah, said Chelsea, acquiring and in the train plan. Would you love it? Or rebel who? So, we saw rebel who were Johnny. Hey, therefore, we will be to me about that. The phone.
I thought I know the phone.
And I make us say, just ask yourself within 10 years to come.
Okay.
Yes.
Would you be proud?
It will be a while. Bisa say akwabi minute power nyemia.
Okay.
Life. We pa minute pa na for circumstances na afi makwa konyinse. Go beti naturally. Usuma si dwedie awudie no. Ask yourself.
Okay.
Usuma si dwedie na awudie no. Plantwe na wotwe na underground no. Say a pages here and say akwa no ni akwa twimpa would you love it?
Okay.
Any sketchy ni ngwase asem.
Okay. Yeah, that's say for over what try the papa.
Miss
ya dey me just say etiefo ni ahwefo na so etia dey and there our youth arena so abusia attention TV senior won subscribe ya na subscribe dey mama we share so honum hia papa no asan so ahia pem so o asem bi se bi anadwen tire so anu agya e comment section ho e be kan fefe asan so edi ho dwuma e wo mu se we say ya reply we be reply and so ama ebusia youth arena esune e wo attention TV medin ene akosia sparkles ene ne guest eye obofo Mike yeda se yama monity a monihwe.